model, 69-plate Peugeot Boxer 335L3 diesel 2.2 BlueHDi H2 professional van 140 PS spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 85,312. MOT, 5 January 2025. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock, bottom end bearings are knocking, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119